Hello friends, today in this video we shall see what is Euclid's division lemma and its application for finding HCF, that is highest common factor of two numbers. Now what is Euclid's division lemma? The statement is, if we have two numbers A and B, then we can write A is equal to BQ plus R, that is we can find two more numbers Q and R such that A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. Now this equation is like the equation which we have studied in earlier classes, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We can find this quotient and remainder such that remainder is less than the divisor. Now using this lemma, let us try to find HCF of two numbers. Let the numbers be 436 and other number let us take it as 92. To find HCF of these two numbers using this division lemma, we write the bigger number 436 as equal to divisor is 92. We try to find quotient and the remainder. So let us divide 436 by 92. 92 fours are, it is 368. When we subtract, we get 68. So 92 into 4 plus 68. 92, 68. These are two new numbers which we use in the next step, 92 and 68. So we write 92 is equal to 68 into. Now again we find quotient and the remainder for these two numbers. 92 divided by 68. 68 ones are 68. When we subtract, we get 24 as the remainder. So 92 can be written as 68 into 1 quotient plus 24. Now remainder is not 0, so we can continue the process again with the next pair, 68 and 24. So let us divide 68 by 24 to find the quotient. 24 twos are 48. The remainder is 20. So we get 24 into 2 plus 20. So we are getting quotient and remainder. Now we change the pair 24 and 20. So 24 can be written as other oral steps. 20 into 1 is 20. Remainder will be 4. Again we change the numbers 20 and 4. 20 equal to 4 into 5. And what will be the remainder? 0. So when 0 is the remainder, we stop this process, and this last divisor 4 is the HCF, and we can write the answer HCF of 436 and 92 is 4. We say 436 and 92. These are two different numbers. Their HCF is 4. So students, we stop here for HCF of two numbers using Euclid's lemma. Thank you.